Take a look at this Phantom wallet, over $6.9 million all sitting inside from launching meme coins. Not by guessing, not by trading, just by using a system that prints over and over again. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how it works. Now, believe it or not, I used to trade meme coins every single day. I was a full-on degen. Now, at first, I was making a bit of profits, but I lost all my money. Why? Because every single time I bought a coin, I basically became exit liquidity. I would buy, and then I would lose all my money. Now, guess who wins in this scenario? It's not the traders, it's actually the dev behind the coin. And that's why deving is way more profitable than trading. Because all you're doing as a dev is winning. You're creating for completely free a meme coin on the blockchain, waiting for buyers, and then cashing out whenever you want. Okay, that's the beauty of creating your own coins. When you launch, you control the narrative and the entire market, and you cannot lose anything because it's your own project. And right now, bro, the crypto market might be a bit down, but I will show you guys exactly why it's still profitable. Even when the market is down, you can still make some money. I will do a live example into this video. And by the way, bro, none of this is financial advice. It's all completely fake. So just learn the strategy, but obviously it's all made with AI. But now it's time to get into business. How do you make your own coin? Now, most people, when they want to dev a meme coin, well, they go to Pump.Fun directly to make their coins. Now, let me tell you why this platform is not good for profits. Because Pump.Fun is oversaturated, which means there's too many launches, too many live streams, and zero visibility for your coin. Unless you have a really good narrative, well, you will most likely lose your time and your money. That's exactly why I stopped deving here. And if you want to make real profits and skip the entire bonding curve for your coin and go directly to Radium, well, create token.Io is the launchpad for everyone, because this launchpad is the best on the market. Your coin gets pushed out directly to Radium, which will be immediately migrated and shown to tens and thousands and sometimes even hundreds and thousands of people who are trenching live, okay? Which means it will be instantly tradable and you will get instant visibility. The difference in exposure is massive, and that's why I get way more buyers on create token.Io. I will do a live example. Now, here's how to launch a meme coin in seconds. You have two clean ways to go about it. The first way is to create from scratch your own meme coin. So basically, you are going to be making a coin based off of any narrative, any news, any meme, any joke, anything. So go on X, right? Go on Instagram and look for something trending. It could be literally anything. Let me see if I could find something decent, okay? Now let me see if there's something decent. I mean, Solana just tweeted this, not bad. Now, usually, okay, Elon Musk tweets and Trump tweets do really well. Political news do well. But anyways, once you have a narrative, come back to create tokens.Io. Create a name, create a symbol, right? Add a quick image by screenshotting anything. And just like that, bro, after these simple steps, your coin is custom created on the Solana blockchain. But the second method is actually the most profitable route and the easiest by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these coins already have momentum and volume into them. When you copy them, you get traffic, attention, and immediate buyers straight to your Radium launch. I love copying coins because that's exactly how I stack my entire portfolio. Alright, let's put everything into action. I'm going to copy a coin live so you can see exactly how fast and simple the entire process actually is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected or your MetaMask Solana wallet. I'm going to put Phantom, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the Riz coin. It looks decent, you know, last buy 8 seconds ago, not too shabby. Click on create coin. Then ignore the block from Phantom. Okay, it's completely fucking normal. Click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. Boom! And if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's now live on the Radium DEX, okay? It's live on the Solana blockchain, okay? And now, bro, everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is pretty straightforward. We're adding liquidity. This is what makes your coin active on Radium so people can buy and sell the moment it goes live. So first of all, for the amount token A, just make sure to tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own coin, your own project. You are not losing any SOL here. It's just locking in the pool to open your market. The bare minimum is 0.3 SOL, and the ones who remove the liquidity later, that same SOL comes straight back inside your Phantom wallet, so we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe, then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. Once that's done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the risk coin is on live. Our profits are at $0. Now, if you click on the refresh button to check your real-time profits in USD in real time, now we're up $143, okay? Because people are now buying our coin, okay, on any trading platform, and it will be viewed to thousands of people in seconds, okay? Now click on your desired trading platform. I'm going to go on Photon, okay? And then let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin real quick. And let's see what happens. Let's go, come on. And now the coin is live, okay? Let's see what happens. Okay, we're getting buyers. That's fucking decent. We are at a 1.5k market cap. Oh, it just dumped. Someone sold like a majority of their bags. Oh, we just made a comeback. $60 ran straight inside our fucking wallet, bro. Now you guys can see how volatile it is. We're getting transactions every single second because it will be viewed to more and more people. That's exactly why I love creating my own coins, bro, because bro, this coin was created for literally $0, and now we're getting a shit ton of volume, bro. I love it. Let's see what happens. Give the chart a couple more minutes. Now the longer you wait, the more buyers it's gonna come through. Come on. Yes sir. Okay, not bad. It wicked down, but we're getting buyers. Okay, one more big buy to end off the fucking pump. Come on. No, bro, one big fucking pump. Oh my god, bro. Come on, 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity. Things are looking kind of decent, bro. Come on, pump. $40 right there. Not bad. Come on. $50 right there. Let's fucking go. One more big fucking pump to end it off. Oh my god, bro, let's go! Let's go! It's pumping! Let's dump this coin, bro! I'm gonna be right back after a couple minutes. Okay guys, I am back and we are pushing 4k in market cap. Now, the liquidity is good, the volume is good, the transactions are good, okay? This coin is really healthy and really bullish. Now, I could wait longer for more buyers, yes, but let's make some money right now, bro. I am lazy, so come back to create tokens.io. Then obviously, bro, it's protocol. Make sure to click on refresh always. And now as you guys can see, we just made 1.7 grand, okay, which is like 400%, 12 SOL, with a 5k market cap on the dot. So yeah, that's actually just insane, bro. That's really good. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all, then click on remove the money, and let's see what happens. And now as you guys can see, we are going to receive around 12 SOL. Okay, the balance does change sometimes, and then click on confirm. And bang! Bam, 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 boom! That's exactly how you dive meme coins and make real money, bro. If I open the Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I just received $1,700, bro. This method is no joke. It's untapped, and even though the market is down, we still came out on top, bro. If you have any questions, bro, DM me on X at jflips or j.crypto, bro. And if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and join my Telegram and my Discord group down below, bro. It's completely free, and good luck to everyone.